In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an eBay listing error on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps me out. So let's dive right in. First things first, it's important to understand what might lead to an eBay listing error when you're using Printify. Common causes can range from incorrect product details, variations, shipping issues, or even problems with the store settings. Knowing where to start is half the battle, so let's focus on a few key areas. Now, if you've come across a listing error, your first step should be to log into your Printify account. You'll find the dashboard to be quite user-friendly. Once you're in, navigate to the My Stores section. Here, you'll see your linked stores, including eBay. Click on your eBay store, and you'll be taken to a list of your active listings. Next up, locate the listing that's causing you trouble. You might see a warning icon next to it, indicating there's an issue. Click on that specific listing to view the details. Often, Printify will provide a brief description of the error, which can tell you what the problem is. For example, you may see alerts about missing information, like titles or descriptions. Let's say the error is due to a missing title. To fix this, go to the Product Details section. Here, you can enter a descriptive title that includes relevant keywords. Make sure it's engaging, but also clear. A potential buyer should know exactly what they're looking at when they see your listing. If your error relates to product variations, perhaps you're selling a t-shirt that comes in different sizes or colors, make sure all variations are correctly listed. Scroll down to the Variations section and double-check that all options are filled out properly. If any are missing or incorrectly formatted, make the necessary adjustments. Adding these details is crucial, as it allows potential buyers to select their preferred style or size directly from the listing. Now let's talk about shipping issues. If eBay is flagging your listing for shipping-related errors, navigate to the Shipping Settings section in Printify. Here, ensure that the shipping options you've selected are available for the destination countries. Sometimes, having too many options can confuse the system or lead to errors if they don't match what eBay accepts. So, it's worth checking that everything is in accordance with eBay's policies. Additionally, review your pricing structure. If eBay finds that your product pricing is below a certain threshold or seems too inconsistent with market standards, it might flag your listing. Make sure that the pricing aligns with your cost and leaves room for profit, but is also competitive. Adjust the price if necessary to meet eBay's listing criteria. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, you'll want to ensure that your listing is saved correctly. After you've updated information, look for that Save or Update button. This is crucial. If you don't click it, your changes won't be applied, and the error might persist. Okay, after saving everything, it's a good idea to go back to your eBay account to check if the listing still shows as having an error. Sometimes, it might take a few moments for updates to sync, so don't panic if it doesn't change immediately. Just give it a few minutes. Lastly, if you've reviewed everything and your listing still isn't functioning properly, don't hesitate to reach out for help. You can find support sections on both Printify and eBay, where you'll discover helpful resources or even options for live assistance. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to fix an eBay listing error on Printify. Remember, the key is to check your product details, variations, shipping information, and pricing. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your